Now this video is for people that have been driving in St. Petersburg over the last few months. Have you seen what the city is doing with all these bus stops all up and down First Avenue South and First Avenue North? I mean, it is absolutely crazy the level of construction and how dangerous the roads are. Now, the reason I shot this video is because I keep hearing complaints of people that are in accidents, and I am literally seeing it firsthand. My office, it faces eastbound of the intersection of First Avenue South and 58th Street, Central and 58th Street, and a couple of times a week, I look out and there are ambulances. I can hear brakes squealing, crashes. I mean, my whole office is looking out these windows like, what is going on? And it's all because of the construction of these bus stops. And it's extremely odd the way they position them. They put them in the left-hand lane, the fast lane, and the roads are going from 3 to 2, back to 3, and then if somebody's stopped in the right-hand lane, it can go from 3 to 1. And so it's causing absolute mayhem on the roads of St. Petersburg. I don't know what the city is doing with this, but it is extremely dangerous and it's causing a lot of car accidents, like I said, all the way up and down First Avenue North and First Avenue South. And if you've seen this or you've been in an accident, I mean, you know exactly what I mean. So again, this is really, I'd say, more of a public service announcement, but it is crazy out there. It is irresponsible of what the city is doing, and it's really absurd. So if you know what I'm talking about, if you've seen this, please like the video, please share your comments. If you've got any questions about what to do after being involved in one of these car accidents, give me a buzz, because it is just nuts and very dangerous in St. Petersburg. All right, be safe out there, everyone. Take care.